Hello everybody, and welcome to a presentation on the subject cleaning oil spillage using corn cobs as natural sorbents. Our group of 5 students from Hanoi consists of me, Minh Chu from Đạm Mưu High School.
I'm Hiếu from Trần Hưng High School.
I'm from Thăng Long Secondary School.
I'm Khiêm from Tràng Bó Secondary School.
I'm Dũng from Thăng Long Secondary School.
We'll be carrying out the presentation. So first of all, we would like to demonstrate the reason behind our research. So rapid urbanization and industrialization have resulted in the growing demand for the water use and led to the increase in wastewater. The presence of oil and oily products such as machine oil and mineral oil in wastewater and water surface is a major concern because of their toxicity and their threat to the environment.
The remediation and treatment of wastewater contaminated with oil has always been difficult and expensive. In this study, we're using modified compounds which are abundant agricultural waste, low-cost absorbent material in oil-contaminated wastewater treatment.
According to our statistic, corn yield in Vietnam is estimated to be around 550,000 tons each year. Corn cobs have a great potential to be a sorbent for oily contaminated wastewater treatment. But why should we modify the corn cobs? Well, according to studies, crude corn cobs contain degradable compounds such as starch, sugar, and so on, which might contaminate the water. Modified corn cobs with HCl or hydrogen chloride enhance not only the sorption capacity but also the stability in the nature, and modified corn cobs consist of properties listed such as low density, buoyancy, reuse, and porosity. So how to prepare sorbent using corn cobs? Well, First, we have to cut the corn cobs into suitable size of particles. Then 10 grams of corn cobs was placed into a 1 liter hydrogen chloride solution. The slurry was then stirred for 12 hours at room temperature, and then the corn cobs were rinsed several times with water at 90 and dried at 90 degrees Celsius.
The sorption of oil from oil water emulsion with a content of 2000 mg per liter was carried out with 2 grams of modified corn cob in different time intervals. The results in Fig 1 show that the oil separation capacity increased with the treatment time. When equilibrium is reached, the oil content in a static solution decreased markedly with high treatment efficiency reaching over 70%.
Then the influence of initial concentration using modified corn cobs was investigated. Experiments using different oil content per 2 grams of modified corn cobs were conducted. From the results of figure 2 and 3, we can confirm that absorbent materials have the great ability to separate and recover oil. The increasing in oil absorption load corresponds to an increase in the initial oil content, in particular from 120 to 1,330 milligrams each liter. Thus, in comparison to the sorption capacity of other materials being used, such as nanofibers or X-sorb, modified corn cobs have comparable and superior processability. So, in conclusion, obtained results show that corn cobs have a great potential to be employed as a sorbent for treatment of oily contaminated wastewater and can be used in place for synthetic sorbent. And the corn cobs, saturated oil, and oily product have high calorific values, so they can be used easily as combustible materials and do not need to be waste disposed. Thank you everyone for listening to our presentation.